Hello friends, today I am going to teach you CSS cascading style sheet in HTML5. CSS is used to describe how HTML are to be displayed on screen. It can control the layout of multiple web page all at once. It can also save the lot of works because if you change in a single line or a single source code, it will affect all other pages. Also, you can control the look and feel of several pages by changing a single source code. There is a syntax for CSS, selector and declaration. If you want to style the H1 heading 1, then you can mention in selector H1. If you want to style the paragraph, then you can mention the P in selector. It could be the any tag like H1 to H6, body tag and P tag selector. And in declaration, a block can contain one or more declaration separated by the semicolon, and declaration block you can declare the property and value like this. Color is property and yellow is value. Font size is property and 11 pixel is value, means this is a value. Selector means color will be changed to the yellow in H1 heading, and also font size will be 11 pixel in H1 heading. It will be changed. There are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, embedded, and external CSS. If you want to change the single line or apply CSS on single line, at that time you can use the inline CSS. Style tag is used in start tag like this. This is an example of inline CSS. I want to change the hello CSS color to blue. For that, I written here P style color blue. In this, P is selector, color blue is declaration. Now here P tag is completed. Next is internal CSS. It is used to apply CSS on a single documents or page. It affects all elements of page, and it is written inside the style tag within the head section like this. Style tag within head section, you can written here H1 means selector and declaration, and style tag is completed and head section is completed. Now here I want to change the H1 highest heading color red. Change the color to the red. For that, written here H1 selector and color red is a declaration, and we declare this selector and declaration in style tag. This is an example of internal CSS. You can see the result, you can see the output of this code, output of this program. There are some property and value we use in CSS. Color, if you want to change the text of color, for that we use the color H1 color maroon. If you want to change the background color, example is body background color yellow. Font weight, P font weight 300. Font style, P font style italic There are 3 values in font style: italic, oblique and normal. You can take any of these. Text decorations, there are 4 values: line through, underline, overline, none. This is an example. P text decoration underline. Text align. Horizontal aligned of any block level text that are paragraph, table and other element you want to align that left, right and center or justify. For that we use H1 text align center. Font family, P paragraph font family Arial. Font size, there are 4 values in font size: px, in, mm, cm and pt. This is an example. Letter spacing, horizontal space between the character of text. If you want to some space between character, for that you can use the letter spacing. Value is px, in, mm, cm and pt. This is an example. Padding, if you want to add the blank space around the text of content in pixel, for that we can use padding. Border, to set the border color to a web page like solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, dotted or dash. This is an example. Background image, you can also set the background image with URL. Margin left, set the margin area on the left side of the element. The value is px, pt, cm. This is an example. Now third type is external style sheet. When you want to make the change on multiple web page, at that time we use the external style sheet. It uses the link tag on every page. Link tag should be put inside the head section like this. Head section, this is a link tag. This is a style.css. External link. We will learn the class ID and CSS class selector.